Hey guys, it's Seth here again with PitchGround, and the fourth block comes with an incredible feature set right out the gate. However, the exciting thing is that this is only the beginning. If you scroll down to the bottom of the site, and you come over here, and you open up the roadmap, this is where we can all vote in new features that we'd like to see in the fourth block. For example, down here is a great idea about using a Chrome extension where we won't even have to have the fourth block open. We could just be browsing on Chrome, see something we like, hit a little button up here, and boom, make some fresh video content using the fourth block Chrome extension. So as you can see, everybody can submit their ideas right here, and then whichever cool ideas everyone comes up with, whichever ones get the most upvotes, the fourth block will add it to the roadmap. So we can all make this already great app even better. So definitely come and participate and share your feature request here. And remember to vote on the best ideas you see. And remember, when you buy the lifetime deal, you get all future updates they do. And they got a lot of really cool things planned. There's going to be an iOS and Android app that will give us push notifications and sync up with what we're doing on Instagram. It's going to be awesome. All right, guys, so this is where the roadmap is at. And again, you can get here from just going to the home page, scrolling down to the bottom, and clicking roadmap. All right, cool. So that's all I needed to show you. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.